Do you know that you can get 4,000 watch hours in the space of few days? A lot of creators have been using this trick I'm about to show you to get their 4,000 watch hour and to meet up with the monetization threshold. So today I'll be taking you on a practical step-by-step on how these creators have been using this feature on YouTube the right way. Stay with me till the end of this video. Don't miss one part, because if you miss one part of this video, this feature might not work for you as it has been working for others. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kevin, the creator behind Grow With Kelvin. And on this channel, I teach my strategy on how to grow on YouTube. The tips I use and they work for me, I come here and share them. The ones I try and they don't work, I come and share them so you don't make the same mistake. So if you find this as a vibe, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. So let's dive into these practical steps on how these big creators have been using this feature on YouTube. So when you come to the YouTube app, you open the YouTube app, you go on this plus icon, you click on this plus icon, you go on live. Oh, so let me end this one. I've once used it, so let me end this one and start back at fresh. So you click on live. When you click on live, you click on this pencil icon to do your editing. So when you click on this pencil icon, it will bring you to this interface for you to do all editing. Put your thumbnail, you come here, you put your thumbnail here, and then come put your title, and make sure you left the visibility public, because if you don't leave the visibility public, you might go live and people will not join in. Why? Because it is on private or unlisted. People will not be seeing it. So make sure you keep it on public, and make sure to turn this also make sure to leave this audience as no, it's not meant for kids, because if you leave it under it is meant for kids, YouTube is not going to push this video, your live stream, further. So, and then come here, put your description, because normally you need to make sure you optimize your live video, optimize it so that for it to reach broader audience. Yes, you put your description, your title, your tags, keywords, and make sure to leave the location as it is. So now here is where the trick lies. This screencast, make sure to turn this screencast on. If you turn this screencast on, and then after that, just come down here and take next. Now it's asking us for us to verify our audience selection. So it is no, it's not meant for kids. So we take next. When we take next, it has given us a sensitive information here. Say you are about to enter screen broadcast mode. That here, remember, it said remember, anything on your screen, notification, calls, passwords will be live streamed. So here I advise you to use a phone that you are not frequently using it. Like you can use your other phone. Yes, you can use your other phone to do this. You can use your other phone, or you can do it at night where people will not be disturbing you, like calls, because when someone calls, it will broadcast, because you're broadcasting the whole of your screen, your phone screen, everything that displays on it, it will be like it will be streamed. Yes, it will be streamed. So this is what they're asking. So we just take start now. So it has stopped my recording. My recording has stopped. Since I'm about to use something here, my recording has stopped. So I'll just bring my screen, my recording camera close so you can see it. I don't know if you can see it very well. Am I going to do this now? All right, so if you can see here, everything on my screen is being recorded. If you check down here, you are going to see that there is, as I'm speaking, you're going to see that the mic here is on. So what we'll do is, you might not have that watch hour you desire if the video is not that long. So it is good to make the video very long so that when people are engaging, you have your watch hour. So on my case, because of this tutorial, I will just take a video that is 30 something seconds long. So click on this video. So you see, as it is here now, everything as it the next thing we have to do now, after that, after everything, because we don't want to use this camera, we can make sure your phone is connected on charge and you have a stable network, and you just click go live. So guys, that is how you can easily get your 4,000 watch hour on YouTube using these features that a lot of creators have been using for them to get their channels monetized fast on YouTube. So you can hop into this trick now. Now that a lot of people don't know about it, you can hop into it and you start maximizing it for you to have this result. And if you find this video helpful, guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell, so anytime I have something big like this, I will come here and share with you.